Welcome back. Now, there are a number of places online for you to be able to upload your video directly to use their player and their streaming capabilities. Sites like Wistia and Vimeo. To host your audio, there's sites like Spreaker and Podbean. And the question is whether or not you should use one of these services instead of hosting the file yourself using Amazon S3. Now, if you recall, we stated that you are billed on a monthly basis for both the storage and usage of your account. That means then if you have a spike in terms of the number of people who are accessing your content in a particular month, you could see your costs rise significantly. What these services do well in terms of their pricing is they use large numbers of people in order to offset some of the fluctuation in price, and by paying the same thing, it means that sometimes you won't use everything that you're paying for, but at the same time, you'll know exactly what it is that you'll be paying month to month. So the answer tends to be that if someone is using small amounts of audio and video to stream, Amazon S3 is fine to use as a place to host multimedia. However, as the use of audio and video usage rises, you may want to consider using one of the online services so that you can budget and determine what your price will be month to month. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.